Wait till you see. Wait till you taste it in a glass after that. Oh, that's gonna be some nice orange juice.
Let me see. Let me see.
Okay. This one's not finished. Try not to get it finished.
Hey! One,
Okay.
two.
Yeah. Look, see, you see the orange juice underneath? Open eye.
Is there orange juice underneath, Evelyn?
What?
Is there orange juice underneath?
Yep.
Nope.
How's it going?
Good.
Is it all done?
I need you helping.
You need helping?
Yeah.
Okay.
Grandpapa's really good at that.
Make up you, Peppa.
Yeah, put your
Oh,
hands
yeah,
on top,
you're helping
Evelyn.
me. Yeah, you can put
Here, put your hands on top of
mine.
Grandpapa's and help him
Put
push
your hands
down.
on top of mine.
There you go.
Okay, your turn.
How funny.
We're both doing it.
You're both doing it?
Because it's getting long.
Yeah. It's getting full.
Yeah.
All orange juice underneath.